How to fix this account is currently locked on TikTok. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll quickly show you guys how you can unlock your account on TikTok. So if you're trying to sign in on your TikTok and you're not able to do so, that might be because you have violated certain terms and conditions for TikTok. You might even have gotten a notification about it. But if you haven't done anything wrong, but your account still got logged, then in that case, you're going to have to contact TikTok support. Simply go ahead and open up any web browser you have on your device. On the search bar, you will just have to search for TikTok support. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, TikTok support. Now from here, you're going to have to tap on the contact us option. So you'll see the contact option right down below here. Tap on contact. And then from here, you can contact TikTok support. On the left side, you'll find the 3 bars menu. And if you tap on it, you'll find different kind of options here. You are going to have to head over to Help Center again and choose what kind of problem you're facing. There are a lot of articles that will help you fix your issue. So if it's related to login and troubleshooting, tap on this login option. Then from here, you can choose other options like, let's say, my account logged out automatically. This one is the closest one to being a locked account. If this article was not helpful, tap on no. If you don't see this, you can just search for TikTok support report a problem and click on the first link that you see. From here, you can select any topic you want. So let's say general account inquiry. Select another option. So let's say account locked. Let's say let's just select this option, banned account. Select your username. And once you've done that, add your contact email. And once you have added your contact email, just briefly explain what happened and why you think your account got locked. Then tap on upload if you have any additional attachments. And then TikTok will contact you back on your email and you should be good to go if you follow their instruction. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.